Hello mga langga, welcome to my channel. This is Yaln Escapades and I'm going to show you on how to make fresh dried vegetable soup. So hopefully you will like this, and this is good for the season, lalo na't malamig ang panahon sa ngayon. So I'm going to show you on how to make this one. So just if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for all the support and love. See you po at the few moments. So, ang kailangan po natin ng ating soup ay itong ating pork nga, ang ating baboy. Yan ang bones na yan, at looks so pretty. At dito po meron po tayong dalawang honey day at cracked almond. So as you can see, I have here yung meat natin din together, yung ating fresh vegetable at pak choy, ang tawag sa Chinese, at yung dried niya. So, mayroon akong 5 peraso dito. At yung isang bunch ng fresh. So, this is all we need. Yung gizzard, duck gizzard. And it's easy to follow. Please follow my instructions step by step. Hope nasundan niyo po ako. At it's very easy po siya lahat. Hugasan lang natin yung ating meat at saka mag-prepare tayo ng ating cooking pot. So, in this process, I'm boiling the water. As you can see, din inilagay ko yung ating meat. Kasi for blanching, blanching siya. So, inaalis natin yung malansa, isang dugo. So, on the other side din, mayroon akong naka-prepare na din na cooking pot para tuloy-tuloy tayo. So, i-blanch natin siya in a few minutes. Hindi masyadong as in matagal na pakulo. Yung naging translucent na yung kanyang color, as you can see. Medyo malapsi na siya. So, yan na siya. Probably it's just take 1 to 2 minutes or 3. Huwag naman nating i-over blanching kasi maalis na din yung ibang nutrients. So aside from that, washing all our ingredients kasi iuna din natin itong ilalagay sa ating cooking pot. So as you can see, nakag-boil ng ating malaking palayok. Nilagay natin yung ating dalawang honey day at ang ating almond. As this just make the taste balance, yung sweetness ng honey day at yung yummy malinamnam ng almond. And of course, let's off the fire at take out na natin ang ating pork meat at ilagay na natin sa ating cooking pot. Diyan lang siya ka-easy, ilagay lahat. At napaka simple gawin. But there's a lots of nutrients na makukuha natin. Ang ating ding dalawang duck gizzard. And ang ating dried leaves. And the next, of course, ang ating na mga fresh leaves. Ihalo lang siya lahat. And it's boiling for high temperature for 1 hour. Then i-cut natin after 1 hour to medium heat. And simmering na siya until it will goes down and it will be finished ang ating pagluluto. So as you can observe, I keep putting chopsticks in the top dahil umaapaw po siya at ayaw nating ma-spilling ang ating pagkain or ang ating soup. So, keep checking. Baka may dumikit sa ilalim. So, but not to the extent na time to time. Just probably after 10 minutes you check. And keep simmering until matapos tayo ng 2.5 or 3 hours ang ating pagluluto. Just be careful guys, like this is too hot. At maging maging aware tayo at protect ourselves as well. Kasi yung steam niya napakainit. Kaya be careful tayo. Yan na siya. Nasa kalahati na tayo. But we need more time to go for this. As I said, 2.5 to 3 hours ang ating pag-simmering. So, the next is, of course, luto na siya. It's done. Ayan siya kadami. Yung kadami kanina. But as you can see, it's just 1/4 left on the palayok. Kaya done na tayo sa ating pagluluto ng soup. Fresh, dried pork vegetable soup. At maganda po to sa pang-cleansing ng ating colon, pang-cleanse ng ating body. If we drink and eat this kind of delicious, yummy soup. Simple. If you wish, you could add on seasoning with salt and sugar. Pero sa akin wala na ito kasi it's all balanced dahil na yung ating gizzard is salted na siya. At yun nagdadalang salt ng ating soup. At yung manamis-namis ng honey day is balanced na siya together. And malinamnam ng ating sangkap. So, that's how Chinese touch cooking I learned na all balanced. Hope you enjoyed that. And of course, I have also plus pack in here from the restaurant. And I don't know kung... At I showed din sa inyo yung paano ko gagawin yung how to make a simplest egg sandwich. Just one egg. And of course, heat ang ating pan. Ilagay ang ating egg na nakabit na egg. So, at aside from that, nagpe-prepare tayo ng ating bread. Ilalagyan ko siya ng butter. Unsalted butter yung aking nilagay. And just like that. Ipahid-pahid mo lang siya ng konti. At mayroon na tayong egg. Ilagay natin at the top. And i-cut natin siya together by half in triangles. It depends sa'yo anong klaseng gusto mong cut. Sa akin, I love this kind of cut, the triangle. Kasi, siya, pwede mo rin siyang i-cut ulit. Another triangle, magiging 1/4 bawat size. But for this one, is I like to serve like kind of this presentation. Kasi if you have some lettuce or any leaves that could add on, you can. But this one is just a really simple egg sandwich. And taran, it's ready to serve. Pwede nang kainin. Yan lang kasimple yung egg ko. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting salt and black pepper. And then, yun na, boom. Hindi ko na ininit yung aking bread kasi fresh naman siya at malambot. So, it's kind of balanced. Everything was balanced when cooking. So, ayun lang at maraming salamat. Hope you like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Yaln Escapades. Sa inyo ay nagsasabing God bless you and more power. See you next time. Bye-bye!